design, you know. I mean, that's the reason why people say like, oh, 86 or Civics are easier, you know, Hondas and Toyotas are easier, you know, for the engagement.
People say the Porsche Carrera GT.
Oh yeah, no, that
has a very tricky clutch.
Yeah, it is. So if you don't have this down, then it's hard on those.
Yeah, don't want to learn how to drive with that car.
Okay, you're going the opposite if you do that.
Like, you know the new ST, the 911 ST?
Yeah.
That's gonna have a single mass lightweight flywheel and a lightweight clutch, carbon lightweight clutch. Basically, you know, all the rich people, they will fuck their clutch up. Is like just another way to get money from them.
Oh well, that's why, you know, if they don't know how to engage, you know, or drive the manual of a Porsche, then what's the point?
Really want to get a 718 GTS,
yeah.
4.0.
Yeah, I see a lot of people posting videos on that.
Those are so nice, dude. 4.0 liter of Porsche naturally aspirated in.
Yep.
Oh my god. And the top comes up.
Not too much.
Oh, that is too much.
Remember the feel. Come on, you were on the roll. Yeah, don't look at the tachometer.
Oh,
Remember
yeah.
the feel.
Right.
Yeah, at that point you already I should let go. No, too much. Yeah, go. Just go. There you go. You're thinking too much. But you see, it wasn't choppy though.
No, that was good.
But you get it, right?
Oh yeah, I definitely get
Yeah.
it. A huge improvement from the first time I was gonna do that.
Yeah. But doesn't this make you wanna keep driving?
Yeah, it really does. Like this car and a nice canyon road, that's all you need.
Yeah, but you know, before the canyon road, you gotta learn how to engage.
Yeah, oh yeah, for
Yeah.
sure. I'm just saying, like, you know, if you know how to drive a manual,
Yeah.
and you know, like, you don't need like a lot of horsepower.
Yeah, but that's the thing. This is only what 228 horsepower, and I mean, look at how you're already engaging, right?
Yeah, it's so much more fun.
Right.
How much does this car weigh? Do you know?
2,800 pounds.
Wow. Damn, modern cars are heavy as shit.
Right. But that's why, like, you're feeling it, right? Like,
Yeah.
how it's able to turn that sharp. You know.
I love this car.
Yeah. Again, if this car didn't have the oil, starvation issue,
But
I would have kept it.
do you think you go on tracks that often?
Well, yeah.
Like what, every single weekend?
Well, I wouldn't say every single weekend, but
Enough
again,
for that to be a problem.
yeah, enough to become a problem. Because, bro, after you go that many track days, right? You really start noticing
What the issues are.
what the issues are, or what you want to avoid.
Gotcha.
You know, the issues you want to avoid. Because why should you pay some
extra headache?
Yeah, it's stress.
Like you're buying stress.
Yeah, you're buying stress.
Nah,
that's why.
fucked up.
Yeah. I mean, again, they even lied to us.
And on a Miata, if you just do like a nice set of coilovers,
Yeah,
you're good.
we're good, right?
Like, yeah, sure, if you want to do brakes, that would be nice.
Oh no, yeah, no, that definitely have to do it. You know, basically more of the basic stuff.
Yeah.
You know, but you see, like the Miata components are cheap. You know?
Oh, and the aftermarket support on a Miata.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And that's what I'm saying. Like, you know.
And Miata guys love racing.
Oh yeah, no. When you see their the cups that they've been doing recently.
Yeah. I feel like Miata people are like, they really love cars and motorsport.
Definitely, and that's why, like, I think that's another thing, you know, that I can admit I'm also kind of you know, wrong, you know. I mean, that's why I was like, I should have already started with the Miata.
No, that's fine. You know, now that you
Oh my god, you were on the roll, man.
Yes.
Come on, you were on the roll. Come on, our last 5 minutes, you gotta keep, you know, you gotta remember that feel.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, no, I definitely, you know, think like I should really have been a Miata fan from the beginning. Like, really, those are the kind of cars, like you're saying, like we should appreciate.
Yeah.
You know,
for sure.
especially they spend so much knowledge, you know, and so much effort, you know.
And you know, if Japanese people are making something, I trust them.
Yep.
Like they do their research.
No, they really do. I
Like,
mean,
it's in their, like they have this thing like ikigai in Japanese culture.
yeah, no, of course. It's, well, why do you think the S2000 was that good, right? You know.
No, even you know, like even if you buy a regular Toyota, right? But if you buy it in Japan and get it shipped to US,
Yeah.
you'll see a lot of difference in quality.
No, of course.
Because the guy making it in the US plant, he doesn't give a fuck about craftsmanship.
Yeah, no, because if you think about all the sports cars, you know, coming from America, none of them are reliable.
None of them made in USA.
Huh? No, they're all, well, the American ones are made in USA, but the thing is, none of them are reliable.
What about the Ford GT?
Same. I mean, the thing is, depends which Ford GT we're talking about, right?
You know the one Shmi has? You know Shmi?
Shmi.
That YouTube guy. Hello.
Oh,
my name is
yeah.
Shmi. You know he has a Ford GT.
Yeah, but again, that's a different, you know, that's a different group, different category.
Unobtainable car.
Yeah. But the thing is, if we're talking about the old Ford GT, they were using Honda transmission though.
Oh my god.
So, I mean, again, like, I would say that's the only American car that has a very good Japanese transmission because it's Honda made. So.
And then in the 90s, Honda was a name to be respected.
Yep.
I mean, still is, but in the 90s?
In the 90s, right? So.
They were winning races left and right.
Yeah. Yeah, so you see, like, even you know that. But
I grew up playing Gran Turismo, of course.
But that's what I'm saying, like you were saying, like, many people are underappreciating those cars.
Because people want to chase a big, high horsepower number.
And that's what I'm saying, like, that's what I love about these cars. It's not about high numbers.
Who gives a fuck about 0 to 60?
Well, people here do.
I mean, who cares? Unless you have a Bugatti or like a, you know, like one of those hyper cars.
Yeah.
Does it really matter?
Doesn't really matter, right?
Oh, cool. You can go 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Wow.
But where are you going?
Where are you going?
Yeah, where are you going?
4 more seconds, boom, you just committed a felony.
Yeah, right.
Your license gone.
You know, cops is right there, and then
Cops
you just
right there.
you just get
You know, like if you buy the newest turbos, these 992 turbos.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know how people are not going to jail with those.
Well, and also, like, when I see the people driving those around here, it's like, okay, so where are you gonna push it, or what are you gonna do with it?
I mean, you can only, I don't even know. I mean, I don't know why cars are like, instead of like them trying to be super fast, if they were like, if their ethos was to make it lighter, that would be nice.
That would be nice, right?
Like just a light car.
Right. And this is what I love about
Oh, I didn't
this.
do the clutch.
Yeah, you forgot the clutch. You were doing so well, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but this is the reason why I appreciate, you know, these cars. It's because we really should be appreciating, you know, that these cars are still, you know, on the market.
You know, there's a company, I forgot which state, they put LS engines in Miatas.
Oh yeah, no, I mean I've seen those, but the thing is, it's too heavy.
That's true.
It's too heavy for the front, and
Oh yeah.
it doesn't make sense. I mean, yes, the sound, the LS and everything, but in the end, it's like it's too front heavy, and then the turn in, it's kind of weird.
Front heavy cars are the worst.
Yeah, especially for a 2,300 pound car, you know. It's like, oh, you're adding more weight.
Are Porsches like 911s, are they more difficult to drive to the limit because of that, like that pendulum effect?
So this is, you bring out a very good question, because I was just talking about it yesterday with my NorCal friend, best friend, because they were test driving it as well. Like you were talking about the Porsche. Yeah, you know, it's like you're pushing it too much.
No, I dumped the clutch accident.
Yeah.
Okay, so they were having this conversation. So what's the conclusion?
Well, basically, I mean, I've been driving, you know, a lot on track, right? And of course, I was the instructor, you know, right? So, like you're saying, you get many of these people that have expensive cars, especially Porsches, right?
Yeah. Oh my god.
So, especially, I was sharing the story about, you know, the Chinese kid that I was, you know, helping to instruct, because the organizer was telling me that, you know, please teach him.
Oh, he brought a Porsche manual car?
Yeah, and he doesn't know how to drive it. And
Which Porsche was it?
It was a GT3.
A manual?
Yeah, and that's the thing. It's like, he didn't know, of course, he was using daddy's money and all that.
I mean, hey, I don't hate on that, because I get it, dude. But damn.
But that's what I'm saying. It's like,
why not just buy a PDK, bro?
Yeah, but yeah, well, you don't know. They already paid it.